6. I'm scared all of a sudden.
Is there anything spicy this time? Okay, good.
Something yellow.
Did we run out? Jason likes chocolate milk.
4.
Oh my god.
6 by 4. And now Katie's gonna get 3. What is it? What?
3. I got 3. What is going on?
What is 3? My turn.
No, I'm scared. Just go ahead.
6.
6. No, I'm scared.
I think 6 is a good one. 6